currently my sidebar chatbot is set to ChatGPT. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change this sidebar chatbot from ChatGPT to Google Gemini. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to change this, go ahead and open your Firefox browser and then go to this menu icon. From here, go to settings, and under settings, you should see a sidebar here. Go ahead and choose AI controls. Under AI controls, scroll down until you see AI chatbot provider in sidebar. Here you're told keep a chatbot in view as you browse. Choose from these options here. So we can change this to either Anthropic, ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, and even LaChat Mistral. So currently you can see our chatbot in sidebar is ChatGPT. To change this to Google Gemini, I'll go ahead and just tap on it and choose Google Gemini. Now, as you can see, the Gemini logo has been added here, and I can now go ahead and search anything using Gemini. If I open a new tab, you can see you can open Google Gemini straight from here by just tapping on it and then start searching for anything using this AI model. So that's how you can change your sidebar chatbot to Gemini. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.